How you doing? My name's Jim, and this is my sidekick Johnny, and we do Johnny Jim's AZ. And we're kind of hoping that you're enjoying this. We do a lot of different things here in Arizona. Maybe go on some trips, doing some furniture, comedy, just a lot of different things, and we have a lot of fun with it. So if you enjoy it and you're watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like it. It's really cool, and it makes John feel pretty good too. So I found this desk. Someone's going to throw it away, and right next to it over here, you can't see it, but I have a computer stand as well. But yeah, this is a good sized desk. It's got to be at least, I mean, it's heavy. It's solid wood. When I say solid, this is basically particle board on top, but we're going to address that. We're going to smooth everything down here, and I'm going to start off by using 80 grit sandpaper just to really knock off the top of this. And then we're going to refine it and smooth it out. We're going to fill in this gap right up in here. I'll show you that a little bit later. Wood putty or some kind of finishing element. And then we are going to completely just stain right over this, or I just might even paint it. It just depends on how it's going to look. So let's give it a shot, and let's go ahead and start with the sander. Let's start knocking this down. In this area right here, we have a huge bump. Looks like something was spilled here, maybe some water, who knows. And that caused the particle board to lift up. So I'm just going to sand this area completely flat as I possibly can. And based on the amount of room we have up in here, I don't know. I might have to run epoxy in here and just kind of paint over the top of this and just be done with it and make it, to me, make it look even better. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, let's vacuum this up. All right, let's take a look at this and see what we're seeing. Or look at what we're seeing here. Now here's the side I just sanded down. You can see right up in here a lot of this particle board. Particle board is strong, but when you get it wet, it's over. If you don't dry it, it's completely over. So we're gonna fill this. Yeah, I guess I could put putty in here or epoxy. I haven't really decided yet. And then sand that down, and at that point, it's gonna be too much of a noticeable thing on there. I just might paint the top. I'm just not too sure what color I'm gonna paint it. I am gonna put this video out right now, and I'm gonna ask you, what color should I paint that? Now this one's actually in pretty good shape. I might not have to paint it, but if I'm doing both, I do wanna have a matching set. So out of all the colors in the world, give me your input and let me know, what color would you use to paint the top of this? Not the whole thing, just the top, or any other ideas you might have. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.